Hello, my lovely students. Hope you guys are enjoying your quarantine at home. What I'm showing you today is I'm just going to show you quickly what Discord looks like. We're going to use this program. I think it's the easiest in terms of me chatting, hopping in and out of conversations, being able to just quickly hop on for 5 seconds, answer your question, hop off. This is just the easiest way of doing that. So I'm going to show you how this works really quickly. On the left here, you can see a bunch of your different servers that you're a part of. This is the one that I'm going to invite you to, is the SCS Mr. Nickel server. You can see some of my other servers that I have there with my brother and my friends. Ignore those. They're not that important. But basically what you will have is you'll be able to see this logo and have access to all of this screen here once you've clicked the invite and downloaded the program. And then what you'll be able to do is flip between each one of these are called the channels here. You can see voice channels, text channels. I called this one how to use Discord. You'll be able to flip through each and every one of those and click on them and also just check in on what information's there. So what I will likely do is I'll post some stuff to general. These are just going to be messages that I need to send you guys, like, hey, just a reminder, don't have your dogs running around chewing on bones in the background, something like that. Materials you may need, what I'll post there would be things like the Physical Science Bible, and things like the Physics 30 formula sheet that they would have got for the final exam there. It'll just be things that you'll want to continually access and need. I'll post those in this little server here. And the way I'm flipping between these is pretty straightforward. I'm just left clicking on these, and that takes me to the different channels. So right now, you can see that every time I talk, if I stop talking, this turns green and turns off from green. That just means that I'm communicating and I'm part of this general voice channel. Now what you'll notice is that each one of these have a little lock symbol around them. I will grant you access into Physics 30, Science 10, Physical Science 20, and Foundations 20. Basically, when you sign in, I have to give you certain roles and say, yes, this person is allowed in these two classes. So that'll be the first little bit, is me monitoring that, trying to get you guys into the right places here. But basically what that does is it allows you to only see Science 10 or you to only see Physical Science 20, whatever is most relevant to you. The other nice thing about Discord here is I can right click on myself and I can mute myself. So right now, I'm talking, but nobody in this Discord server can hear me, which is a nice thing. The other thing that I can do is, let's say someone, again, has their dogs running around the background, I can server mute them. And what that does is nobody can hear what they're saying. They can still type in the chat, but nobody can actually hear what they're saying. Speaking of the chat is down here. So if I wanted to message a bunch of people, I could say, hey, everybody, hope you're having a good day. And that message would show up for everybody, and I've actually typed that in the materials you may need. You would probably want to type that in the general. So I'm the only one that has control to do this, but I'm going to delete this message here because we don't need that. But other than that, Discord's really easy to use. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll post this video. I made a YouTube channel, so I'll post it there first and foremost, and then it'll also be under this How to Discord section as well, so that you can access it whenever. I look forward to chatting with you guys. I miss hearing your voices. I miss telling you to be quiet, and I miss laughing with you guys, most importantly. So we'll see you guys soon. I hope to see you guys on the Discord.